Okay, so this is a grade 3 theory, page 1. Okay, first of all, you're going to do grouping, of course, okay? When they give you, just remember your rules. That's the most important part. I'm going to give you a quick example. They say give a suitable rest or rests under the star thingy as to complete the bars. Okay, so 3, 4, what does that mean? We need 3 quarter notes in each bar, which means it's not always exactly like that. It whatever makes up a quarter note must come together. Okay, so here we've got a semiquaver. Then they gave us 2 quavers and a crotchet. Okay, of a quarter note. Okay, I hope you guys can see so nice. Right, here we go. Okay, so that's our 1 count, 1 count. What do we need here? We need a 1 count, okay? So first of all, make it an easier one. So when we put a semiquaver rest next to it, that's half a count already. And what happens to every half count? We make it a full count by adding another rest. Okay, then our second one is a dotted quaver. Then we've got these 3 notes, which means when it has a 3 thingy like that, it's 3 notes, but it makes up 1 count. Okay, actually makes up 1 count. It's actually 2 quavers. Okay, but we played in the time 3 notes in the time of 2. So that's 1 count, and then we've got 1 count here. Okay, so there we got 1, 2. We need here. What's that? That's half a count and a quarter. So we just need to make, because that's half the value of the note, remember? So that's a semiquaver basically, and we need another semiquaver to give us a whole count right over there. Then when we get to 6/8 time, remember your rule. It's 3 quavers and 3 quavers. Whatever makes up 3 quavers are grouped together. All right. So I'm going to give you a quick example what they have here. Remember, 3 and 3 must be together. And they still want rest. You must always read your question, either a note or a rest. Here we've got 1, okay? Then there's a star thingy, so here you have to add something. Here's 2 and 1 already. So there's 2 of those and 1 of those already. Okay, but we need something next to this one. So that will be obviously 2 rest, but we can't add. Remember our 1 rule. You can't group 2 and 3 together. Because if we count here, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2 and 3 is not allowed to be grouped together. So we can't just make a quarter rest there. This will be literally your first quaver, then another quaver, then another quaver. So it'll be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Over here we've got, this is already 3 at the end, 4, 5, 6. And here's our third count. But now you're allowed to put 1 and 2 together as a quarter rest. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then you're going to get your scales. A little bit different this year. Not too much. But they're going to give you a time. For example, 6/8. And then how you're supposed to write out your, not only in semi-briefs this year. Okay, and this one. You'll see there's 8 for the, then they say A flat major with key signature. With means you put it in front, remember. Okay, the first videos is all about key signatures. Go watch that again. A flat major's got 4 flats. Battle, ends, and down, right? So you first put down your key signature, then your time this time, 6/8. Then you write out A flat, but the big thing now is you have to write it in these values. Okay, but first you can write it out normally. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, A, right? Then you'll see there's 4 notes, then it's your bar line. Okay, so then you make it those values. That one must be like that. First note, second note like that, third note, right? And then 3 of them together. And then your last one like that. Okay, so then you've got A, B, C, D, E, F, G, A. And then remember your slurs. At major scales, between 3 and 4, that's your semitones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so I'm going to send you a few first pages. Complete this for me. It will be about time signatures and your scale.